let's go.
You can see the pictures I paint, son. If I ain't the king of New York, then it ain't one.
What's up, YouTube? So as you guys see, I'm back at work. Yeah, in New York, the auto business is an essential business. I mean, I guess it is where you might live also, but we're an essential business, so we're allowed. Now, truthfully, you guys are watching the news, so you know that New York is doing a terrible job of containing this. Honestly, if I didn't work by myself, I wouldn't even be here. But there, I'm gonna say this, everybody, please be safe. Please practice social distancing. I mean, we don't even really know for sure how everything is being spread, so just please be careful. That's all I can say. I'm not an expert. I don't think nobody handling this is an expert. So all I can say is please take care of yourself. You know, wear gloves, wear a mask. I know some people say the mask doesn't help, the gloves don't help. I feel like, listen, with all these experts saying all these different things, I feel like if we really understood this virus, we would have a better control of it. So I don't know what works. I don't know what doesn't work. All I know is take care of your personal space. Please try to be considerate of others. Don't go whispering in nobody's ear. Don't go shake nobody's hand. Just you know, people, please. All right, we're gonna get to what's going on now. So anyway, I am at work, as you guys see. I am working on this 93 Jeep Cherokee XJ. What am I doing to it? Well, we got a few things that's gonna happen. It'll be over the next couple of videos. One thing I'm doing, this is a front end kit. Now, honestly, anybody that's doing any work, this is how you really want to buy this stuff. Right? So you have a track bar, you have sway bar end links, new ball joints, drag link. It's a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not going to unwrap it. Whenever I get to the video for this, we'll go through it. But we have that. We also got a bunch of parts here. New wheel cylinders. These are the brakes. I am doing the brakes. I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna show you that right now while we're doing the brakes. You guys look at these brakes. She said the brakes are making a noise. Will you guys look at these brakes? That's metal. The wheel cylinder has popped out, so that's no good. There's a broken spring right here. So that's no good. I think you guys are getting the idea. Hold on a second. Let me try to get a better lighting for you guys that may be missing out. See what's going on here? You see all that sludge? So essentially what happened is the wheel cylinder blew out. Look at that. It blew out and all the fluid came, and we see what's happening there. So I'm about to take care of that. Also for the goodies, for you guys that do care, we are also going to be doing an LED upgrade. So, these are brass terminals. These are the LED bulbs for the dash. And LED lights, headlights. I like these. Can you guys see these? Listen, I'm going to save that for the headlight video. I'm just telling you guys what's coming up. Please stay tuned. Man, I'm telling you, New York got me frustrated. I promise y'all. Anyway, That's it. So today we're doing the brakes. As you see, the cylinders have blown out. So I picked up some new cylinders and new shoes. And we're going to do the fronts while we're at it. And that's it. That's it, YouTube.